Welcome to Best 5 Choice. The best Christmas tree container is probably one of the most essential yet often overlooked items for maintaining the magic of your holiday decorations year after year, safeguarding your cherished artificial tree from dust, moisture, and the general wear and tear that can accumulate during its off-season slumber, ensuring it remains as vibrant and full as the day you first brought it home, ready to be the stunning centerpiece of your festive celebrations without any fuss or compromise. Number 5. Zober 9-foot large Christmas tree storage bag. Keep your Christmas tree safe and sound. Our storage solution protects it from dust, moisture, and damage, ensuring it looks perfect for years to come. Crafted from heavy-duty, waterproof material, this bag is designed for long-lasting durability. It's built to withstand the test of time, season after season. Moving your tree is a breeze with its strong, reinforced handles. Transporting it between storage and your living room has never been easier. Never forget what's inside. An attached card slot allows you to easily label and identify the contents, making storage organization simple. Getting your tree in and out is simple thanks to the wide-opening dual zipper. Just unfold, insert your tree, and store it away with ease. What we like. This offers exceptional durability and protection against the elements. If you need a robust solution that keeps your tree safe from dust and moisture for years, this is the one. Its easy access zipper and labeling makes setup and storage a breeze. What people say. It easily fits our 9-foot artificial tree with room to spare, and the material feels thick and durable, not cheap or flimsy at all. The strong handles make it so much easier to carry and move, even when it's fully packed. The label card slot is another thoughtful feature. No more guessing which holiday decor is inside. Number 4. Zober large Christmas tree storage bag. Keep your cherished Christmas tree safe and sound. Our storage bag provides reliable protection against dust, moisture, and damage. Crafted from strong, durable plastic, this bag is waterproof to ensure your tree stays in pristine condition. It's built to last for many holidays to come. Generously sized to accommodate artificial trees up to 9 feet tall. You'll have plenty of space to store your festive centerpiece. Featuring strong, durable handles, transporting and storing your tree is made simple. Move it with ease to its storage location. A convenient label card slot allows you to easily identify the contents. No more guessing which bag holds your Christmas tree. Ensure your tree is ready to be showcased for the next holiday season. It will be protected and preserved, just as you left it. What we like. This provides reliable protection for your holiday centerpiece. If you're looking for a straightforward and effective way to keep your tree clean and undamaged, this is a great choice. The waterproof material and easy open zipper ensure hassle-free storage. What people say. It easily fits our 9-foot artificial tree with room to spare, and the material feels thick and durable, not cheap or flimsy at all. The strong handles make it so much easier to carry and move, even when it's fully packed. The label card slot is another thoughtful feature. No more guessing which holiday decor is inside. Number 3. Zober Christmas tree storage bag. Keep your cherished Christmas tree safe and sound all year round. Our storage solution offers robust protection against dust, moisture, and damage. Designed to accommodate most artificial Christmas trees up to 7.5 feet tall. It provides ample space for easy storage without compromising its shape. Crafted from strong, durable plastic, this bag is waterproof to shield your tree from the elements. It's built to last, ensuring protection season after season. Featuring strong, durable handles, transporting your tree is now a breeze. Move it effortlessly from storage to display and back again. Never forget what's inside. A handy label card slot allows you to easily identify its contents, making holiday setup and takedown simpler. Ensure your tree is in pristine condition and ready to be showcased for the next holiday season. It stays protected and looking its best. What we like. This is designed for slightly smaller trees, offering excellent protection. If you have a 7.5-foot tree and want to ensure it's shielded from dust and moisture, this bag is ideal. The durable material and convenient features make it a practical storage solution. What people say. This tree bag is made of heavy-duty material. The wheels on the bottom make it easy to move around. It has a large capacity and can hold a tall tree. Number 2. Christmas Tree Storage Bag, Red. This bag is designed to easily fit your artificial holiday tree up to 7.5 feet tall. It even has extra space for your tree toppers and lights. Loading and unloading your tree is a breeze with the double pull zipper. Sturdy handles make it easy to carry or pull, ensuring hassle-free storage. Crafted from a sturdy, tarp-like material, this bag maintains its shape even when full. It's built to last, providing a reliable storage solution for years to come. Keep your precious holiday decorations safe from dust, moisture, and pests. You can store your tree with confidence, knowing it will be in perfect condition for the next holiday season. This bag isn't just for Christmas trees. Its generous size and durable construction make it perfect for storing other holiday decorations, outdoor cushions, or even for use as a moving bag. What we like. This offers ample space not just for your tree but also for extras like toppers and lights. If you like to keep all your holiday tree accessories together, this is perfect for you. Its versatile design also makes it suitable for storing other seasonal items. What people say. This tree bag is made of durable material. The wheels on the bottom make it easy to move. It has plenty of room for a large artificial tree. Number 1. Zober 600D Oxford Fabric Rolling Christmas Tree Storage Bag. Keep your Christmas tree safe and sound with our durable storage bag. It offers optimal protection against damage, dust, and moisture. This bag is designed to fit artificial trees up to 7.5 feet tall. Ensure your holiday centerpiece is protected year after year. Crafted from 600D Oxford fabric, it's waterproof to prevent moisture damage. The robust construction ensures long-lasting use. Featuring durable handles and wheels, moving and storing your tree is a breeze. It makes holiday cleanup simple and efficient. A handy card slot allows you to easily label the contents. This makes identification quick and effortless when it's time to decorate again. Our breathable design with a secure zipper closure ensures your tree stays in pristine condition. Enjoy a perfectly preserved tree every holiday season. What we like. This is built for ultimate convenience with integrated rolling wheels. If you have a larger tree and want to move it with minimal effort, this is the ideal solution. The durable Oxford fabric and breathable design ensure your tree stays protected and in great condition. What people say. The size is generous. My disassembled tree fits comfortably without having to force the branches or compress everything. There's plenty of space for a standard artificial tree, and it doesn't feel like you're cramming everything in. The wheels are the real game changer. Instead of carrying a bulky box to the garage or storage area, I can just zip it up and roll it. The reinforced handles are also helpful if you need to lift it onto a shelf or into a closet. The fabric feels durable and protects the tree from dust. The long zipper opening makes loading and unloading easy. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.